Well, I'm not in my house. Today I'm at Drew's place, and maybe we'll call this segment Drew's Ideas.
That's crazy!
We're gonna work on this project that Drew has. I'm not gonna tell you right now because we might not finish it, but it's a game idea, and it's gonna involve us using Unity, and I haven't used Unity in a while, so I'm gonna have to refresh my memory on it. This bread is delicious. Well, we didn't get very far on the game. Apparently Unity needed updating, and that took like 10 years. And about 20 years off my life waiting on it. And then we tried a JavaScript framework. I'm eating the bread, by the way. And that was also a pain to get started. So we basically started coming up with other ideas, but I think we're gonna continue on the game eventually. Not sure when it's gonna be finished though.
I don't really have any doodles. I was gonna say, oh yeah, here's the framework for the game.
It's called Quantum Bleep, and the goal is to sort of travel through time. So you've invented a time machine, and you get presented with, you're in the future, and then you get to go back to the past, and then you select items from the past that then dictate your future. I've officially ordered everything China has to offer now. Let me get started. No clue what this is. It says gift though. Definitely not a gift. This is the TB626A1 or the 6612FNG. It says, oh, this is a 5-volt micro USB something. Micro USB controller. 5 of them. Alright, this is electronic components. This is a covered push button switch. I think that goes around there, maybe? Yeah, you just screw this on. Pretty cool. It has like a rubberized top to keep water out. Handy. More jumper wires. They want me to give them a 5-star review for the snowflake tattoos. Pretty cool. Probably will. Seems like they looking good. Look like they're in good order. Pretty basic. Never have enough jumper wires. This is a pipe tap. This is for the pottery wheel. And also something else that I can't remember off the top of my head right now. Oh, these are, I was curious to try these. Actually, they say Hakko on them. Interesting. Yeah, these are Hakko. Oops, cut the bag. Replacement tips. Lead-free solder. Tip is plated. Oh, tip is plated with lead-free solder. So these are just different size tips for the soldering iron. Definitely look too different than the one that I bought the other day. Excuse me. Let's give it a shot. See if I can do some sort of comparison. I accidentally cut the bag, so just put those up there. All right, last one. Module X1. Another screen. This is another OLED, just a wider one, different size. Decided to hang out at Upper Left Roasters this morning, and I drank 3 cups of coffee already. Pretty buzzed, but I got a lot of reading done, and pretty excited to experiment when I get home. But first, I'm going to Drew's because he said he was going to make me lunch, because I have a task to complete for him, which I'll fill you in on in a bit. Drew made me lunch. So the task is to cut a bike lock off a lock that Drew lost the key to.
I didn't lose the key, my roommate did. Come on, man.
There you go. There's the full story. You believe what you want to believe. Until I stabbed myself with one of the wire bristles. There. Alright, got the cut-off wheel locked and loaded. Second task is seeing what's wrong with the switch here. We've turned all the breakers off in the house because they're not.
I mean, do you think I should just...
I think it's fine because we have the breakers off now, but it would be good to actually check to see.
Okay, so... yeah, see that right there?
Going to get a new switch at a different Ace Hardware. Wow.
Isn't that crazy how cheap those inexpensive those things
That
are?
is pretty interesting.
For less than a cup of coffee, I can get a light switch. We got Mr. Built for us.
This is positioned right next to the light switches. Perfect. Putting the new switch in.
Shove that in there. Shove that in there. That looks pretty good. I'm no electrician.
And neither am I.
I don't even know why I'm tightening this thing. It doesn't
Is it not doing anything?
no, I mean, I'm sure it does something. I just don't know what it does.
I think it actually puts pressure on it to hold that in there. Hold that wire in there.
It's not.
But I mean, I could be wrong. It might just be for looks. It was only 99 cents, so this might not even be real spares.
Can you believe that was 99 cents? It's such a cheap deal, I should have just bought all of those, you know?
You want me to hold it? Up the top once.
Didn't it come out? No, didn't it come out of there though?
No, it didn't.
Are you sure?
Pretty
No,
sure.
No, it did.
No, I'm pretty sure,
Let me see
man.
this for a second.
Look at the switch. Look at
me see it.
the light switch right there. Just fit the light switch on there, and you can see. Or fit the cover right here, and you can look at it and see.
The cover goes in the top one.
See? That screw goes right there.
Remove your hand for a second.
Yes.
I'm not talking to you, Rob.
It's taken us 3 minutes to do this.
You better not. This better not be a 3-minute show. No, you can slow the footage down, make it like a
12-minute.
A 12-minute show. Like, all right.
Slow mo. Changing a light switch.
All right, here we go. Let's turn everything on. I don't know why I turned everything off, but it was probably a bad idea.
Probably.
Yeah.
Well, that's it. See you tomorrow.